Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to enable Sheets in Excel. Sometimes, important data might be hidden, making it inaccessible. Don't worry, revealing these sheets is a quick and simple task. We will explore 2 easy methods to bring your hidden worksheets back into view, ensuring you can always find the information you need within your workbooks. Let's get started. Our first easy method involves a simple right-click. Navigate to the bottom of your Excel window where the Sheet tabs are located. Right-click on any visible sheet tab and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the Unhide option. A small dialog box will then show a list of all hidden sheets. Simply select the sheet you wish to reveal and click OK. It's that straightforward. Another convenient way to enable your sheets is through the Excel ribbon. Start by clicking on the Home tab at the top of your Excel window. Look for the Cells group, typically located towards the right. Within this group, click on the Format button. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Hide and Unhide, and then select Unhide Sheet. This will bring up the same dialog box to choose your sheet. If you need a completely new workspace, adding a sheet is also very easy. Simply click the small plus sign icon, often labeled New Sheet, located right next to your existing sheet tabs at the bottom of the window. This action instantly creates a fresh, blank worksheet for your data. Alternatively, you can press the Shift key and the F11 key simultaneously on your keyboard to achieve the same result. Happy organizing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.